Hello friend, welcome to Study IT YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss the benefit of Python. So, what is the benefit of Python? Why we using the Python in the data science? Why we not using the other programming language? Because in the market we have the lots of programming language available. So, why we preferred in the data science field only Python? Why not weightage of the other programming language like R, says, or any programming language like Java, C, C++. So why we using Python? Why? So in this I'm going to I will give you complete detail why we using the Python. So first is easy to learn. Python is a very easy programming language if you going to start to learn the Python. So I'm giving you the first small example. If the other programming language, if you want to declare the variable, we need to first declare the variable with the provide the data type, so they can understand this variable, it can understand the only this data type. But if you assign the value in the Python, they can take the data type. So we no need to first declare the data type of the variable, they automatically calculate this is the variable is for this data type. Like if you pass age equal to ABCDA, will take the this is the character data type. So same way, this is a very easy to learn. If any of the new developer, any of the new past student, if any of the new learner, they want to start the programming in the programming world, so Python is a very easy and best way to learn the Python. So this is the first thing, the benefit of the Python. So second one, this is the very open sources programming language. So this is the programming language is open sources. Third one, efficient and multi-platform support. And the fourth one is a hug collection of libraries, so a function and module. So we have the large amount of the library, large amount of the function, large amount of the module. So I already discussed in the previous video, so what library available in the Python and how can you use. So this library as Panda, this library matplotlib, learn, scikit-learn, scipy, numpy. So this is the library already available, and within this all library we have the different type of the method available, different type of the module, different type of the function available. So whatever we have the requirement, we need to first import the library, and you can use the all the method of the particular library. Now next one is the big open source community. We have the big open source community for the Python. And the next one is integrate well with the enterprise apps and system. We can easily integrate it with the any of the enterprise application which is running of the application or the system. This is the very Python is can compatible with the, we can integrate. So with the any of the application or the system running in the production environment. Great vendor and product support. So Python is also providing the great vendor, very good and product support. So if you have facing any issue in the practically in any issue in the production environment, they will provide the good amount of the means vendor support or the product support. So this all the key feature they make the Python is a more efficient way to use into data science cycle, so data science life. So all the data science scientists or the data science point of view company prefer the use of the Python other than other programming language. So that is the reason in the benefit of the Python. So we have the more benefit in the Python if you work in the data science. So I will provide in the next video the practically few of the thing how to download and install the Python. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.